Meaning of digitally.
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 Digitally. The term digitally refers to the use of computer technology in the processing, storage, and transmission of information. Digital technology involves the conversion of analog data into a format that can be processed and stored by computers, using binary code consisting of ones and zeros. The result of digital processing is usually faster and more accurate compared to manual or analog methods. Digital technology has revolutionized various fields such as communications, entertainment, education, and healthcare, enabling us to connect, communicate, and access information like never before.